Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. This was supposed to be a part of my quail video, but I'm going to do it as a separate video. Get my camera straight here. I need to get some of this grass out of here. I'm going to try to work on it while the ground's still kind of nice and soft from all the snow and the rain and stuff. So I'm going to try to get some of this stuff out of here. I'm going to leave my onions, and I'm going to probably pull that cabbage already. I'm not quite sure yet, but I think the chickens, will definitely enjoy some more of this grass. I gave them some of the grass the other day, and they really enjoyed it. Man, y'all are way up there, ain't you? There we go, that's better. But let's try to work on some of this grass that's in here, because I'm debating if I want to pull out my tiller or not and try to, surprisingly the tiller would probably do better. There's a radish. Yeah, I think the pigs will like some of this grass too. They don't hardly get grass unless if they're eating coastal. Let's check down here, see how it's a little harder down here on this side. Yeah, it's a little bit harder down here. And this could be because that's where I had my the tarp for the onions, but I don't think it was that far down. Yeah, it's a little harder down here. May have to pull out the tiller. Let's see. That's where I had that stuff sitting. I do want to utilize this area this spring. Maybe I need to sharpen this hoe up. I'm not sure. Give you a workout. Rocky, do not do that. Are you gonna help Mom dig? Yeah, gotta dig. So we gotta dig. I don't know what you're eating. I don't think I want to know what you're eating. I'm gonna have to build me something around it again this year. Hopefully I can figure out something. Need to go probably get a couple more cattle panels and put it up again. I don't need that dog coming over here peeing and, using the bathroom in my garden. Oh, there's a grub worm. Chickens might like that. Nice little grub worm. He's not moving, so he's probably still kind of cold from being underground. But I'll give him to the chickens. There'll be some good soil to plant in this year, I'll tell you that. At least down here on this side it is. It's got that good dirt. Nice, good black dirt. That's what we need. Whew, this is gonna take me a while, I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna be really tired doing this. Well, I got a whole bucket full of grass that we're gonna go give possibly to the chickens here and the ducks. Sometimes they deserve a little something something. I'm trying to get my stand where I can carry it in my hand. Yep. Go give all that nice green grass to the chickens because clearly they're throwing a fit right now. Can't come out today, Spike. Got FedEx coming. FedEx is a coming. Twice today. And unfortunately, you're not nice to the FedEx people. All right, ducks, we want some fresh grass here. If I had rabbits, that'd be wonderful for the rabbits. I don't have rabbits no more. All right, chickens, watch out. Go get it. Get away from this door. I don't know why y'all in front of this door here. You ready? Here. Look for some, see if there's any bugs in there. There you go. And some eggs. Day before yesterday I didn't get no eggs. Yesterday I got, I think it was 7 eggs. Today we'll see if we get any. Hopefully that grass will help boost them up. Ducks like it. Eat some grass, drink some water. Eat some grass, drink some water. Hey, come on. Okay, I'm locking this. You gotta find your own way out. Silly boy. Huh? You're silly. Where are you going? Come on. I got a little ways on that garden, not very far, but they get a little bit. Oh, I guess he made his way out. I think I'm gonna go get the tiller and probably gonna get this long extension cord right here. I had to pull it from the chickens and I'll pull it that way and I'll go get my electric tiller and then I'll do it with my tiller and see if that's any better. I want to show y'all something. That's where he sleeps. Sleeps with the cows. All of our chickens over here are doing great. I got my other cage like this coming today, so I'll be able to separate them out. That way there's not so many in one area. Man, getting ready for springtime has been a chore, I can tell you that. I'm about ready to go in the house and make me a sandwich. I'm hungry. Oh, I want to tell y'all about this. So this area here, I don't know what that was. So this area here, I think what I might do is I might utilize it and plant my corn and like pumpkins and stuff out here and see if I can get it to grow. But I will have to get my tiller out here and till all that up and keep the cows on the other side. Eventually I'm going to get them hopefully Saturday. So today's Friday. Hi. You don't let me touch you, do you? I know, got dirt on my hands. Yeah, she didn't like that. Anyways, that way I can, plant some corn and stuff. I want to utilize this area. I was going to let just the pigs run around, but I think they're finding their little area for now. It's not, I don't have another male to breed them with just yet, so. But I would like to utilize this, and then maybe in the fall, after everything's said and done, then we'll let the pigs out, and they can eat all that stuff. But I do want to try to utilize part of that area. And I will be building them. I was working on a shelter, building it over there. I'm going to try to do that hopefully on Saturday. I'm going to use the rest of those pallets that I have for them pigs that on that house right there that they don't use. And I'm going to use these pallets and some of this material here to build on like the roof and the sides to block off some of the wind. They do use their other one, so at least I know if I build one, they will use it too. And this one doesn't have to be so tall because they're not very tall cows, and they'll be able to fit underneath. Probably even if I just put a roof on it like this, they will be able to fit in there. So I think that's what we're probably gonna do. Hopefully within the next couple days I can work on this garden here, be able to get, you know, most of it tilled up, all that grass out of there. I might have to go and get a couple more, about 2 more cattle panels, because I moved them out there for my garden in the front as trellises. But I do want to be able to keep, you know, rodents out of here and the dog out of here. I don't want nothing messing up my garden this year. I haven't decided what I will put out here just yet, but I guess we will see what I put out here. I don't know. I got to fill my front ones first, and then I'll work on this side. But right now, I do have another bag of potatoes that I need to plant. So I may just dig me a trench and put, you know, my potatoes in it. Hey, stop it. We may just do that. But I do need to check. Let me sit y'all back down right quick. I want to show y'all. I had my onions planted in this all along here, and it froze. I put, you know, stuff over it, whatever. Hopefully they didn't just knock that off. But I want to see if they made it. I'm not sure if they did or not. There's a couple. Yeah, want this hay? Pea pigs? You want some hay? Yeah. There you go. There's some. I'll get you some more in just a second. Oh, there's one that's out. I wonder if I pulled that out when I took out that hay. So I don't know if these will actually make it or not. If they're not gonna make it, it's fine. I can go and buy some more and stick down in here. I don't want to stand. Yeah, see, these are coming out as I pull the grass off. Some of them are coming out. Coming out of the ground. Well, there's still some down in there. They don't look too far gone, I guess. There you go, pigs. Let's see. Probably can just stick them back down in the ground on the ones that are coming out, because they have roots on them. So probably just do that. This is good soil right here. Nice black soil. Now we've been slow at work, so on the days I work from home, I'm able to come out here and do my videos and, you know, let y'all kind of see what's happening in between me working at home and go. Like yesterday I went to work. It was only half a day. You know, I'm okay with it. I make enough to feed my animals and, you know, get what I need. As long as they need, you know, my husband's okay with it. So, you know, our bill, we ain't got no car payments, thank goodness. Hopefully I don't have to have one anytime soon. But yeah, we're just kind of slow at work. I'm sure when it picks back up, I'll be in the office more. But right now, I'm going to take advantage of us being slow, because I get more stuff done around the homestead. So, well, they look like they might be okay, y'all. Some of them are missing, but like this one still has roots, so I'm just going to make a hole and stick it back down in there. Like that one. I don't think that one's a good one. Has no roots on it. Now some of those that I had got, they didn't have roots on them in the first place. There's an itty bitty one. Got a little bitty root on it. Ain't no bear and a nickel. Okay, let's check these. I'm gonna stick this one back down in there. Too tiny to deal with. Stand up, stop laying down on a job. Okay guys, I can hear y'all smacking from here. What's up with that? Pigs over there smacking away. Put that one back down in there. This one don't have any roots on it. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it. Oh, look, there's my knife. What do you know? Let's see, there's a couple down here. Have any roots? Yep, that one's got some roots. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it back down in there. I really hope we don't get another cold, cold sprout come through. I'm kind of over all that nonsense. That's what we got, guys. Just kind of piddling. I call these days piddling. Onions seem to be okay. Onions over there seem to be okay. I'm gonna work on that garden here, over the next week or so, hopefully. Like I said, I might just get out my tiller and just kind of till it all up. I think that'll be the fastest way to do it. And then I gotta work on some fencing for it. But stick around, guys. Like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will see you guys in the next one.